Hello students, welcome back to the online class. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, topic the Southern Plateau. What is the chapter? Chapter number 6, and the topic is the Southern Plateaus. Spotlight. In today's class we are going to cover the division of Plateau region of India and geographical extent and physical features, and this video is part 1. So let's get started. The Plateau region, the southern peninsula of India, the south of the Narmada river, like the high triangular tableland. The plateau comprises most of the southern part of India. So as you can see in the image, the southern part of the peninsula of India, the south of the Narmada river, as you can see in the map, okay, the Narmada river and the high triangular tableland, the plateau comprises the most of the southern plateau of the India. It rises up to 100 meters in the north and almost 1000 meters in the south, so making a triangular plateau. So it is rising up to how much meter? 100 meter. It used to rise up till 100 meter, and in the northern side it is to rise up till 100 meter and almost 1000 meter in the south. That's make a triangular plateau. Division of the Southern Plateau. The Southern Plateau stretches over the 8 states in India, which including the most of the central and the southern Indian region. Towards the north lies to the Vindhya and the Satpura mountain range. The western and the eastern side are bordered by the western and the eastern Ghat respectively, as you can see in the image. So the Southern Plateau, that is stretches over the 8 states. How many states? It used to stretch over the 8 states in India, which includes most of the central and the southern India region. So where it used to be stretches? In the southern part of the Indian region, and towards the north, it lies to the Vindhya and the Satpura mountain range. It used to lies over the two mountains. What are the mountains name? Vindhya and Satpura mountain range. The western and the eastern side are bounded by the southern and the eastern Ghat respectively. This peninsular plateau can be broadly divided into two parts. What are the two parts? The Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. As you can see in the image, the Central Highlands, it is the upper side, and the Deccan Plateau used to be in the lower level, as you can see in the map, in the image. The Central Highlands lies above the river Narmada. So the Central Highlands is the upper part of the map. So it lies the upper in the above of river Narmada. As you can see in the image, the Central Highlands in the image. Have you seen it? So this lies above the river of Narmada rivers. They are surrounded by the Aravalli Hills in the north, west, and Vindhya range in the southern, and Chota Nagpur Plateau and Bundelkhand Plateau lies between the Aravalli and Vindhya range. Okay, so it is surrounded by the Aravalli Hills. Okay, to where it is in the northwest and in the Vindhya range and the south till the south, and the Chota Nagpur Plateau and the Bundelkhand Plateau lies between of the Aravalli Hills, where it is in the northwest. So those two plateaus are in the middle of the Aravalli Hill. that used to lies, which mountain used to lies in the between Chota Nagpur Plateau and Bundelkhand Plateau used to lies in the middle of Arveli Hills, okay, between the Arveli and Vindhya range, okay. The Chota Nagpur Plateau, including the state of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. So the Chota Nagpur Plateau, including the state of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. This range is rich in minerals. So those lands are rich in minerals. As you can see, the Chota Nagpur in the image. So these lands are rich in minerals. What we can find over there? Mica, okay, copper, iron ore, limestone and coal, and many more we can find it over there. That's why the lands are that's why these regions are rich in minerals. The Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau, including the section of the state of Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So Deccan Plateau, including the section, there are the section of the state of Andhra Pradesh. What are they? Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, as you can see in the map of the image. Remaining of volcanic lava beds have been found in this area. So remaining the volcanic lava beds have been found in this area, okay. So in the volcanic lava beds we can find the remaining of the areas. So as the result, the black soil is found in this region. Because of the volcano, we can find what we can find? We can find the black soil, because when the volcano used to erupt, okay, the whatever the lava used to come, because of this flow of the lava, okay, it used to be all burn of trees, mud, yes. Because of that only, what it shows, that has the result of the black soil can be found in this region. Because of that lava only, all the mud, tree are been burned. Because of this only, the soils used to be turned into black. So it's called a black soil. Mostly we can find over there. Because of what reason? Because of the volcano eruption used to be been over there. This soil bed may be formed millions years ago. So the bed soil may have been formed. So they used to form for that black soil used to be formed for the millions years ago. It takes a time for the millions years ago to form what? That black soil, okay, the soil bed. Rivers flowing through the Deccan Plateau. So river is flowing through the Deccan Plateau. Where it flow? The majority of the rivers in the Deccan Plateau flow from the western to the east and end in the Bay of Bengal. So the majority of the rivers are there in the Deccan Plateau, which is to flow to the west to east, okay, west to east, and it used to be end in the Bay of Bengal. It happens because the most of the land in Deccan Plateau used to be sloped, okay, sloped from the west to east, okay. Why it's happened? Because of the lands of the Deccan Plateau have the slope from west to east, as you can see in the image. This region is drained by the number of the rivers. So this region is drained, okay, by the numbers of rivers. What are the rivers name? Godavari, Krishna, Mahanadi, Kaveri, Tungabhadra, Bhima and Indravati. Those are the rivers have drained, okay, over used to, those are the river used to flow through the Deccan Plateaus, which have the region in the drain. As you can see in the image, the Tungabhadra river. The two major rivers that do not pour into the Bay of Bengal are Tapi and Narmada. So two rivers are there. What are the two rivers? Tapi and Narmada, they do not pour into the Bay of Bengal. Those rivers flow to the westwards and fall into the Arabian Sea. So those rivers used to flow to the westwards, okay, westward and fall into the Arabian Sea. The natural resources. The forests in the region have been with varieties of flora and fauna. So the forests in this region we can find there are the wide varieties of flora and fauna, means plants and animals, okay. So we can find in the huge amount and varieties of flora and fauna over this. As you can see in the Deccan Plateau we can find the varieties of flora and fauna, means plants and animals. Nilgay, blackbuck means it's used to be like quite similar like a bear, okay, deer, okay, and used to be have a very big horns, only one horns, okay, sorry, two horns, but there will be no, not like a deer only, okay, there will be a two horns, very long horns used to be there in the bedbug, but it used to be seen like a deer only. And leopard we can find boar, sambar, elephant and the spotted deer are the main animals used to found in this forest. So what are the animals we can find? Nilgay, bedbug, leopard, boar, sambar, elephant and spotted deer. Spotted deer means a deer which have a spot in the body are the main animals. So those are the animals which can found in this forest. As you can see in the image, those are the animals which can be found in this region. So Deccan Plateau is a decent populated, okay. This region is rich in minerals like iron, ore and mica. So as I told you, the Deccan Plateau is mostly rich in minerals. What are the minerals? Iron ore and mica, as I told you in the before image also I have shown you, yes. So gold, diamond and the other precious metals are found in the Golconda area. So where we can find this gold, diamond and other precious metal we can find in the Golconda area, in the where we can find in the Andhra Pradesh. We can find in those precious metals in Golconda area in Andhra Pradesh. Now tribal. Ancient inhabitants are the unique to this region. So ancient inhabitants are the unique to the, so mostly the people have been occupied this area, okay, in the ancient time, and with what the unique to this region, because of these tribals only this place are very unique in this region. So more than the 30 tribals are found here. So more than the 30 tribals we can find over here, as you can see in the image. So more than the 30 tribals are found here with the different cultures, costumes and all, okay. So those tribals have their own unique culture. So different peoples have their, mostly the people used to live 30 tribals, okay, with their own unique culture, music, dance, dress, food and rituals. So the tribals used to live with their own unique culture, with their music, dance and with their dress, food and rituals. So some of the tribals are Kond, Halba, Kol and Murai used to be found over here. So those are the tribals, okay, mostly we can find over here, as you can see in the image. Tribals of the India, those are the people we can find in the Deccan Plateaus. So that's all for today's class. See you in the next video. And yes, the chapter needed to be continued. Go through with the books along with the video, then only you may understand. Till then, stay home, stay safe and always follow the precaution. Thank you and take care.